Scar VXF15s, dual 2 ohms. I have 2 cab, well it's in a 440, tuning at 44, 45 hertz. I have 2 cab 45s, 2 subs per amp, running at half an ohm. I have a 90 amp hour C-Max in the back trunk.
Nice.
Oh, and a cab M4 for the mids and highs.
Yes, sir. Spider-Man theme?
Yeah, for my son.
You like Spider-Man? Awesome, for your son, okay.
Yeah.
What's your son's name?
His name is Caleb.
Caleb, all right. Very nice. You've done some work on the floor too, everywhere.
Yeah, man, I was going to take the dash out, but I didn't have time. I was trying to get it ready for Ruckus.
Yes, sir. Very nice. Hey, it looks good, man. And you haven't ever blown your glass.
No.
So you built a solid roof.
Yeah.
Very nice. All right. Yeah, I'd love to hear it. Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, SkyHigh Car Audio, and others. Links in the description. Oh, you got some fab work done in here. All right. Nice. Could you tell me your name real quick?
My name is Cony Hawkins.
Is there a way I can see the back amp and all?
Huh?
Can I see the amp real quick?
Oh, it's right here on the side right there.
Oh, right on the side.
Open the
Okay.
back door.
There it is. So there's nothing in the trunk.
Just a C-Max.
Okay. All right. Thank you very much, man. Very nice. They got a little
cool.
water.
No, they're still cool.
Oh, they're still cool?
Yeah.
Nice. Is there amp on the other side too?
Yeah, the F4.
Okay.
Yeah.
Hey everybody, I'm JacobViral. I hope you enjoyed that quick walk around. We got a Cony system at the Ruckus and Chill Show near Fayetteville, North Carolina area. Be sure to give him a like if you enjoyed the walk around, as well as comment what you like about his system. Pretty unique style to fit 4 15-inch system subwoofers inside of his car. Definitely looked like he's done a lot of work. You can see all the dynamat and fab work all around all the doors into the cabin, and really beefy amplifiers pushing 4,500 watt RMS plus each for each of these set of Scar subs. And I'm pretty sure he said that he had them at half ohm, so getting all the juice. I didn't know if they were strapped or not, but I'm pretty sure they are gain matched. So if you notice the way the actual box layout is with the sub motors being inverted in the ported section, there is a sealed section underneath. That's a 4th order bandpass. He said it was tuned to the mid 40 hertz range, but I'm sure it played down into the mid 20s as well during this demo. Didn't find out the SPL score, but I'm going to guess it's probably a 154 to 155 dB plus on music during this demo. So if you haven't already, welcome to my channel, JacobViral. Subscribe. This is a 9,000 watt system on 4 15-inch subs. We're getting to the cardio bass demo now. Sorry I didn't get more information, but I'm glad to share. Enjoy.
Adrenaline shots, the penicillin could not. DJ Hertz music. Tell me what you
job and good bandwidth. You play low and the high notes, and it squeezes you a little bit. So I really appreciate the demo, man. Thank you very much. All right, you have a good day. Thank you very much. Your name again?
Cony.
Connie. All right, Jacob. All right, hey, man.